Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So I will put cosine x squared go to the right, and we have sine x squared equals to 1 minus cosine x squared. So this one we change for this one. Next, we divide by sine x squared on numerator and denominator. So we have like this. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. So we know that inside f the range that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Now because we have the power number 2 in here, so the range that should be about number 0 to number 1, because this is about the even power. The even power they always provide a positive number. So that means when s go to negative infinity, the range they will go between from 0 to number 1 in here. So in this one we cannot determine about this limit. So because this is about that is about oscillation. So this limit is indeterminate. Indeterminate. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.